I'm shown in the early stages, when you turn this part here, the wheels turn. I do need a bit more radius on it though. So when you have more radius, you can't let it touch the PVC pipe. And this bolt in between here, when you twist this, it'll smooth our entire frame here, causing the wheels to turn, as you can see.
Okay.
Now, if I take a longer piece like this, and I run it through this hole right here in our PVC pipe structure, you can attach it over there. So now, when you turn this longer pipe, the bottom wheels move. Still need a bit more radius on it though. There you go.
Oh, this tilt is helping it.
So now, if you, this longer rod here, you take a thing like the steering wheel I have here, made of PVC pipe, and you attach it here.
Looks cool, man. You have to.
Align.
Okay.
And you turn this.
Oh, it's
the wheels will
working.
turn.
Oh, be gentle, Babu.
And now, the
Oh, this is
steering
cool,
mechanism in my cart is done.
Steer it more. We need to get more pitch. Oh, wow. This is good.